Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. So when I left off last time, I had black based the airplane and I had put some different colors on there, and I've put down the primary colors on the plane after that. And as you can see, it's all painted up. And I got the gray down there, and then the gray blue. And the way that I mix these colors up is the blue-gray color was 3 parts medium blue, 1 part flat white, and then the gray that I created was 2 parts sky gray, 1 part flat white. And then I just mixed them up and put them in the containers here, and that's added equal parts thinner as well. And then you can just pretty much put it right in the airbrush and go to town with it. So I put those colors on. Pretty happy with the way that it turned out. I think it looks pretty good. I do see some depth in the panel lines. There is a gloss finish, so it's kind of a little bit hard to see it, but I think it turned out rather well. I also did some post shading after I put the main colors down, and basically what I did with that was after I put the main colors on, I grabbed my airbrush, put a lot of thinner in there, and then put some of the main color, but I also put in white to lighten it up. So I had a very thinned, lighter version of the color, and then I just went into the panel lines a little bit and just kind of, created a little bit of a faded effect. Kind of see it a little bit more on the bottom piece here. So just creating a little bit of that tension on the wings. So that's how I handled that. And then I did all the other parts. The open canopy had to be painted as well. And yeah, so this is where we're at now. That's not everything that I'm going to be doing as far as the painting. What I want to do right now is I want to get the decals on. And then once the decals are on, I'm going to go to the final part of the painting, and basically I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a dull coat over after I get everything on, and try to do some salt chipping. So that way the decals are on, the roundel will be on there, and the effect will be over it, because you do all this weathering, if you put a perfect roundel on there, kind of defeats the purpose, or at worst it kind of looks a little bit out of place. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'm pretty sure I want to do the salt chipping and try that out, and that'll just be a thin layer of white over it, just to give that little bit of an effect. So I decided for the primer on the inside, after asking multiple people their advice and posting on Twitter and everything, it's kind of hard to figure out whether this was an interior green or if it was a gray. I see it done both ways. I kind of feel like maybe it was done both ways, but I had somebody send me some pictures on my socials of one in a museum that had the gray on there, and I decided to go with that. I like the color of it, and I don't know, it's kind of a coin flip whether that's what it is or not, but that's what I went with that. So just wanted to provide an update and where I'm at, and so far so good, and I'll talk to you on the next workbench update. So thanks a lot, hope everybody's having a great Easter, and I'll talk to you soon. See you later.